Ready to elevate your NBA fandom and catch every slam dunk, three-pointer, and nail-biting finish all season long? In this video, we're diving deep into how to unlock NBA League Pass directly through your YouTube TV subscription, making it easier than ever to follow your favorite teams and players. First, grab your remote and navigate to the YouTube TV app on your streaming device or smart TV. Next, head over to your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Within the Settings menu, look for the Membership or Add-ons section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your device, but it's usually pretty straightforward. You should now see a list of available add-ons. Scroll through the options until you find NBA League Pass. Click on the NBA League Pass option to learn more about the available packages and pricing. YouTube TV usually offers a variety of League Pass packages, like a Team Pass or the full League Pass. Take some time to compare the options and choose the one that best fits your viewing habits and budget. Once you've made your selection, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase. You may need to enter your payment information or confirm your existing YouTube TV payment method. After you've successfully subscribed, head back to the Sports tab on YouTube TV. You'll now see live and upcoming NBA League Pass games integrated directly into your guide. Click on any game to start watching. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy seamless streaming, multi-device access, and high-definition quality with NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. Remember to check your internet connection if you experience buffering, and restart your device if you run into any issues. Now go out there and enjoy the game.